The ultimate guide to Google Ads success. Google Ads, previously known as Google AdWords, is a powerful advertising platform that allows businesses to advertise their products and services across the internet. In this video, we will discuss the various aspects of Google Ads, including their benefits, the different ad formats, targeting options, and some best practices to create successful ad campaigns. Benefits of Google Ads. One of the primary benefits of Google Ads is that it allows businesses to reach potential customers at the exact moment when they are searching for a particular product or service. This means that the ads are more relevant and have a higher chance of converting into sales. Additionally, Google Ads offer flexibility in terms of budget, ad formats, and targeting options, making them accessible to both small and large businesses. Types of Google Ads. Google Ads come in various formats, including search ads, display ads, video ads, shopping ads, and app ads. Each ad format is designed to target specific audiences and achieve different marketing goals. Targeting options. Google Ads offer advanced targeting options that enable businesses to reach their ideal customers. Targeting options include demographics, location, keywords, interests, and behavior. By leveraging these targeting options, businesses can create highly targeted ads that are more likely to convert. Best practices for creating successful Google Ads. Creating successful Google Ads requires a well-thought-out strategy and attention to detail. Some best practices for creating successful Google Ads include conducting keyword research, creating compelling ad copy, using high-quality images and videos. Also includes testing different ad formats and targeting options, and regularly monitoring and optimizing campaigns. Conclusion. Google Ads are an excellent tool for businesses to reach their target audience, increase brand awareness, and drive sales. By understanding the various ad formats and targeting options, businesses can create highly effective ad campaigns that generate results. Additionally, by implementing best practices, businesses can continuously improve their ad campaigns and achieve even better results over time.